Welcome! Meet ZENTRA AI, the tool that's making trading simple and smart for everyone. With users around the world seeing great results, ZENTRA AI is special because it uses advanced AI. It's not just a regular trading bot. It learns from the market, adjusts to changes, and can predict what might happen next. Let's see how it can change your trading too. Advantages of ZENTRA AI Trading Bot: automation and efficiency. ZENTRA AI makes trading automatic and quick. It does trades faster than people can, helping you stay ahead. Data analysis. It looks through lots of data quickly to find patterns and good trading chances, saving you lots of time and guesswork. Risk management. ZENTRA AI helps keep your investments safe. It watches the market closely and changes your trading strategy if needed to lower risks. Accessibility. Easy for everyone to use, whether you're experienced or new to trading. Its simple design brings advanced trading to your fingertips. In 24/7 trading, it works all day and night, so you won't miss any chances to make money, even in your sleep. Real-world success stories. But don't just believe what we say. People all over the world are telling their own stories about how ZENTRA AI has changed the way they trade for the better. Ready to take your trading to the next level with ZENTRA AI? Visit our website to learn more and join the trading revolution today.